Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So last night I was saying that it's probably going to go down and take out these lows. It is slowly working its way down there because this is definitely looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. It looks like a complete trend for either five ways of A or five ways of one. That means that more than likely we are going to now make some sort of an A, some kind of a wave B, and probably a wave C down to one of these much lower Fibonacci levels for either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. We trade a wave B and we trade a wave 2 exactly the same, so it's not really that important to know the difference. I would be looking for sorts inside this correction, probably taking it down to one of these Fibonacci levels until I see three waves down. Then the next move up is what's going to tell a lot because a wave three will go up and make new highs, probably new all-time highs. A wave C would probably just go up and take out the high of wave A and then turn back down, continuing the higher time frame downtrend. But for now and for today, I definitely think that we'll be making a corrective wave B or a corrective wave 2. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.